about what is happening in the real estate market right now. And more importantly, let's talk about what that might mean for you. Well, I'd say most importantly, let's start with rates. The Fed has hinted already that they plan to cut rates. Jerome Powell has spoken a couple of times, in fact, about the need to start adjusting policy based on what's been happening in our economy recently. What we don't know, however, is exactly when those rate cuts are going to happen and how much of a rate cut we can expect. According to Lawrence Yun, who is NAR's chief economist, it's quite reasonable to expect that through 2025, we may even see 6 to 8 different rate cuts, but I'd be hesitant to wait around and see, as other people are going to be waiting too. Now let's talk about inventory levels. Nationally, inventory levels are starting to increase. And in fact, they have been increasing, and we're seeing a more balanced market. Now, when we say balanced market, exactly what do we mean? We mean that there are 5 to 7 months of houses available. Now, here on the peninsula, though, while we are seeing increased inventory, and we're also seeing the days on market last a little bit longer as well, we're still well below that 5 to 7 month mark. In fact, closer to 2 to 2.5 months, depending on where you're looking. Again, nationally, it's much more than that. The most recent numbers were from June and July, and national inventory levels are around 4 months of inventory. So definitely approaching that magical 5 to 7 month range. Now, despite increases in inventory, we are still seeing home values appreciate from year to year. Now, what does that mean exactly? Well, again, the Fed said that they are looking to cut rates, which is going to make homes more affordable. But don't forget, more buyers are going to be jumping in once those rate cuts become effective. So people that are thinking about buying a home or an investment property, or perhaps even those that are selling and plan to, move up or move down, right size, if you will, they actually might have a better opportunity now and in the next few months. Prices are appreciating some, but they're not skyrocketing by any means. There's more available inventory to choose from, and there are also fewer buyers out there competing. So again, I'd argue that if someone is thinking about, getting into the market, that perhaps the next few months could be the right time. I think now more than ever, it's really important to work with a professional who understands not just the national market trends, but that can speak to the hyper local trends, where you are locally, and that can help you create a winning strategy. Sellers, focus on your home's condition and positioning your home well within your particular marketplace. Be strategic with your pricing. Right now, overpriced homes are going to stay on the market longer, and in fact may need price reductions in order to capture buyers' attention. Buyers, the good news is this is not the market from 3 years ago. You may have more room to negotiate, but again, you need to work with an agent that understands what's happening in the market that you are in real time. Bottom line, if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing, or if you know someone that is, you or they really need to have a pro on your side, somebody that can help you decipher all of the data. And at the end of the day, what's most important is, put together the plan that's going to help you achieve your unique goals. I'd be happy to chat to talk about how we can position you for your success. Just reach out today.